Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Unlock your iPhone and go to the screen you want to stop sharing. Once ready, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right on Face ID models or swipe up from the bottom on Home button models. This step exposes the screen recording and broadcast controls. Make sure you can see the red recording indicator or broadcast tile. You're starting the stop sequence, so don't navigate away yet. Keep Control Center visible for the next precise steps. Once Control Center or the red status bar is open, identify the active share. Tap the red bar or the screen recording icon. If a broadcast is running, a broadcast menu appears. Tap Stop Broadcast to end it immediately. For local recording, press the red record dot to stop, then confirm if prompted. You'll know it worked when the red indicator disappears and the time counter stops. Make sure you wait a second to let the iPhone finalize the file, and after stopping, double-check that the red indicator has vanished and Control Center shows no active screen recording. Next, open the app that initiated sharing, FaceTime, Teams, or Zoom, and confirm other participants no longer see your screen. If sharing continues, force quit the app, reopen it, and try stopping again. If that fails, restart the iPhone to sever lingering sessions. Remember, toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth can drop the connection quickly, but restart is the reliable fix when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.